Sketch the graph of f of x is equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. If you check, we are given the parabolic function in a standard form, in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. We know that a tells us about the concavity of the graph. So here a is equals to -1, so therefore the graph will be concave down. And to calculate the turning point here, we are going to use the formula which says x is equals to -b over 2a. In the case b is equals to 2, then a is equals to -1, so the value of x is 1. So x over turning point is equals to 1. Then to find the y value of the turning point, we go and look for f at 1. So it will be f at 1 is equals to negative into 1 all squared plus 2 into 1 plus 3. And the answer is equals to 4. So therefore our turning point is located at 1 and 4. And remember here C tells us about the y intercept, right? So sinala sine y intercept at 3, so ku 0 and 3 kuzoba yini y intercept. So mu check la sesinayo i-turning point, siyazi ukuthi i-graph i-concave down, sesinayo nane y intercept. Kusho ukuthi into eshodayo la ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sketch le graph kushoda ini i-x intercept. Kusho ukuthi ke asambe siye kwayithola i-x intercept yethu sibona ukuthi izophuma yoba. Base sinayo, then we can sketch our graph. So sikhumbuzane ke, for the x intercept we let y to be 0. So this will be 0 is equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Then we divide by the coefficient of x squared, which is -1. We divide each and every term. We should 0, so divide by -1, or negative x squared, so divide by -1, or negative 2x, so divide by -1, or positive 3, so divide by -1. Then the answer is 0 is equals to x squared minus 2x minus 3. Then we can factorize here. Alright, so this will be x times x. This is x, right? Then it is 3 and 1. 3 is negative, 1 is positive. Right? So factorize we are looking for the factors of 3 with a difference of 2. So it is 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Alright. Then the bigger factor takes the sign of the middle term. Minus negative 3 la it's positive 1. Then sesingakwazi ukusolve for x, it's x is equals to 3 or x is equals to -1. So kusho ukuthi sinama x intercept ku 3 and 0 and ku p ku -1 and 0. So sesingayidweba ke igraph yethu ke manje sibone ke seshilo sathi igraph yethu izoba concave down. So sine x intercept ku -1 and 0. This is -1 and 0. Sibhala kahle lapha. -1 and 0. Then sinenye kubani ku 3 and 0. Sine y intercept ubani ku-0 and 3. 0 and 3, masino 3 la, sine-y-intercept lapha. Then we have the turning point at sifake lapha ama-y-axis lawa, ama-x-axis here we have at the point of origin. So the turning point ku-1 and 4 should see is about lapha, and of course it is maximum turning point. Then uku-sketch graph kwethu izohamba idlule la bese iyathena lapha. Asiyidwebe kahle le graph yethu. So graph yethu izohamba la idlule ku-x intercept, idlule ku-y intercept, bese iyathena lapha bese iyakudlula lapha. So graph yami ke ayinhle kahle, phinde ngichaze futhi kodwa ke I think you do get an idea. So lapha sine turning point ku-1 and 4 ukuthi igraph yethu, firstly it will start by increasing idlule kwi-x intercept -1 and 0, iyodlula kwi-y intercept ewu-0 and 3, bese iyothena ku-1 and 4, bese iyodlula ku-3 and 0 or yi-x intercept.